So here we can see a scenario. All of you guys, be attentive, do not blink your eyes. Just understand with me what kind of scenario is this. A pharmaceutical formulator developed lotion X, which is an oil in water emulsion. During testing, two issues were observed. One is low stability. Within 48 hours, the oil phase separated and moved on the top of the lotion. And this phenomenon is called creaming. Creaming basically occurs when the oil droplets or oil phases inadequately stabilized. And creaming does not immediately destroy the emulsion, it just indicates that it's a low stability. So now come to the first step, identify rheological and stability issues. Already we have figured out what kind of issues they are having. So number one, low stability. The oil phase inadequately stabilized and it created creaming and it moved upward to the lotions. And the second one, poor application, I have already told that it reduces the consistency and there is the lack of or the lower of viscosity. When it applied or rubbed, the viscosity is decreases and it improves the easy application. And the second one is optimal yield value. Every formulation needs an optimal yield value which refers the minimum force that required to begin the flow of the formulation. So these two type of properties must needed for the formulations in pharmaceutical and the cosmetics for improve the stability and patient's use. We have to use the thickening agents like gums, parabens that increase the viscosity, and viscosity or higher viscosity increases will help its application. And the second one, strengthen lamellar gel. A stronger lamellar gel provide and protective barrier around the droplets. And the third one, reduce droplet size. Smaller droplet size reduce creaming, it stays a longer time, and it reduces the separation. And the last one, adjust the HLB balance. HLB means hydrophilic balance. To maintain this balance, the emulsifier must associated with this balance is if the formulation is water soluble, then the HLB value will be 8 to 18, and if this formulation is oil soluble, then the HLB value will be 3 to 6. So here's the reference. You can find all of this information in this site. So that's all my presentation. Do you have any questions?